right, so
All
we're
right,
gonna
so
see.
this is Eve, everybody,
Hi.
at Urban Ag Indie Urban Awareness Gardens with our
Beautiful
apiary.
place.
And she's gonna show us how much honey has been built in 1 week here. Look at that. Look at that comb.
So you can
Can
see
you turn around? Can you rotate?
all of this
Oh my gosh. That is
capped
lots.
off. You can see the caps. This is a
Yeah.
perfect example. In between my hands on the outer ring is the capped honey. In the middle is the capped brood. At the bottom you can see those there's a little extra space in the bottom of the hive that they are building out. And you can see how happy they are here. He's probably about 1.5 feet away from me, and they are not even bothered.
They are not bothered at all.
Proving that bees are not out to get you at all, guys.
I'm not even wearing a
just
suit.
helping us all.
She's wearing a suit because she's touching all that stuff. But I am not. See, look, I'm having a cup of coffee. See? Cup of coffee. Hey, what's up?
They are loving it here.
Yeah, that's incredible. 1 week. So, explain to me how the harvest happens, honey harvest.
So that's not going to happen
for a while, right?
Yeah, so as you guys start to follow this is just our first week here. So they're only 1 deep hive body large. That's 10 frames. About 50 gallons, and as they start to get larger, we're going to start adding brood boxes.
Right.
As we start adding that and they start getting much bigger, we're probably going to go this queen excluder route and put just a screen down that's a little too thin for her to get through.
Mm-hmm.
So that at the top we can start put our honey supers on. So that'll mean by her not being able to get through there, she can't build brood, she can't lay larvae. So they're just gonna put pollen and honey inside. And that's when we're gonna start having some honey for you to share.
Cool.
And as an ingredient for his delicious food.
Yeah, that too.
That's probably not going to be till next season, so stay tuned as our hive begins to grow. And if you have any questions or interested beekeeper, you can just drop him a note.
Yeah. Make comments and likes and shares on the Instagram page, and I'm gonna tag her in all the posts. What's your handle again?
You can find me at a couple ones. Amaranthine and Figgery for my personal stories, and Eve Eggleston _art to follow my art shows, and spaces in between for bee experiences.
Nice. Sliding them all over. The bees must be really, really happy. I have not been even remotely, they have no interest in me. I'm just standing here. I'm about 8 to 10 feet away from the hive.
Yeah, I would say about 8 to 10 feet.
And
Alright, this is their inner feed.
Nice inner
We keep
feed.
it inside so that foraging bees cannot steal from our hive.
Ah, okay.
Thank you for checking out our first hive inspection.
That was fun.
Yeah.
All right, see y'all soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.